This program is brought to you by Ministry of Education and Vocational Training, UNICEF, and the Global Partnership for Education.
How are you, my dear pupils? I'm fine too. Thank you. Welcome to our mathematics lesson, which is presented by Teacher Ali Mustafa. My dear pupil, look at the numbers again. I think you have seen the numbers. So can you tell me, what do the numbers mean? Well, the numbers represent exponent. The numbers represent exponent. Exponent. The numbers represent exponent. The numbers represent exponent because the numbers are written in exponential form. Can you tell me, what do you expect to learn today? Dear pupil, before going on, I want to ask you a simple question. I want to ask you a simple question. Can you please tell me, what do those numbers mean? Yes, the numbers mean exponent. And this is because the numbers are written in exponential form. So, my dear pupil, please now look at the following numbers very carefully. Okay, can you tell me, how many times does each number multiply by itself? How many times does each number multiply by itself? Well, we can see here for our 3 examples, this is 8 times 8. And our second example is 6 times 6 times 6. And our third example is 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 9 times 9. Times 9 here, and here times 9. How many times does each number multiply by itself? So here, 8 multiplies 2 times. 8 multiply itself 2 times. This is 1, 2. So 8 multiplies 2 times. We write here, it multiplies 2 times. It multiplies 2 times. The common mistake here, when we say 8 multiply 2 times, most of pupils, they think that it is 8 times 2. So this is not right. What we are saying here is 8 multiply itself 2 times. We have the first 8 times the second 8. That is very, very important point. Okay. So my dear pupil, you have to avoid those mistakes. Example number 2. So 6 by itself, we just count here. We just count. 6 multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3. How many times? Well, it multiplies 3 times. 6 multiply itself 3 times. And then what about number 9? So we have also to count. Can you tell me how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're saying that 9 multiply itself 7 times. Here we write 7 times. 7 times. Okay, well, so now it's very important point. It is very important point. So we are try to write this number in exponential form. How do we write them in exponential form? Well, so in exponential form, number 1, 8 times 8, it is written as 8 because number 8 is being multiplied here by itself. How many times? 2 times. So we write number 2 here at the top. It is equal to 8 exponent 2. 8 times 8, it means is equal to 8 exponent 2. Okay, we are going on, my dear pupil. So here 6 times 6 times 6 we write as 6 exponent 3. 6 exponent 3 in exponent form or in exponential form. Well, my pupil, we are going on to see number 3. Here, how many times 9 has been multiplied by itself? We have just counted them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 9, but to the power or to the exponent of 7. Now 9 exponent 7. Okay, good. So now we have seen that 8 times 8 can be simply written in exponent form as 8 exponent 2. And 6 times 6 times 6 can be simply written as 6 exponent 3. And we can see 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 can be written as 9 exponent. Okay, well, thank you. 7. So now you can write any number in exponential form. Right? Okay. Good. So let's go on to see how do we read the number in exponential form. How do we read them? It's very, very important. So here, example number 1, 8 is read as 8 exponent 2 or 8 squared. It is read as good 8 exponent 2 or 8 squared. And number 2 here, 6 is read as 6 exponent 3. It is read as 6 exponent 3 or 6 cube. It is read as 6 exponent 3 or 6 cube. Good. So number 3 is left for for you, student. So try to read this. Well done. The answer is 9 exponent 7. It is read as 9 exponent 7. Okay, good. So now let's move to another step. Here we want to see the names of those numbers in exponent form. Each number is given its name. Each number is given its name. So for example, if we look at number 1, so this 2 or 8 is called the base, and the top number here, 2, is called the exponent. So we have, whenever we write number in exponential form, there is a base and exponent. The bottom number is called the base, and the top number is called the exponent of that expression. For number 2, we can also have a base and exponent. So what is the base here in number 2? Well, a base is a number 6. So base is equal to 6. Base is equal to 6 here. And for number 2, exponent is equal to, very good, 3. What about number 3 here? What is base and exponent? Can you tell me? Good. So here, 9 is base. So the base is 9. Base is equal to 9. And exponent is equal to 7. Excellent, my dear pupils. Well done, my dear pupils. Now stand up to praise ourselves for a good job. We'll praise ourselves by factorial mode. I will teach you. So stand up with fast, stand up. Okay. So when I say we'll clap factorial, it means 3 factorial, we clap 3 at first. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2. And then 1. That is 3 factorial. So we'll praise ourselves by using factorial mode. Okay, I'll show you first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. See? Okay, let's praise together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Very good. Very good, my pupil. Now sit down. Sit down, my pupil. Sit down now. Sit down. Okay. So now, please do exercise here for more practice. In this exercise, you are required to show base and exponent of those numbers. Show the base and what? Base and exponent. Very good. A 15 times 15. B 41 times 41 times 41. C 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. D 35 times 35 times 35 times 35 times 35. Okay, so I'll do that for practice. I hope that you are better. You can write numbers in exponent form. You can show a base and exponent of those numbers. So let's for today, let's end here. Thank you. But don't forget to wash your hand frequently by using soaps, water and soap, and to stay home and avoid overcrowd as a prevention of corona disease. Thank you, my pupil, for your contribution. Here is the end of our lesson for today. See you next time. Bye bye.
This program is brought to you by Ministry of Education and Vocational Training, UNICEF, and the Global Partnership for Education.